Have you ever wondered why cats are not afraid of snakes? It looks crazy, right? One hiss, one slither, and the cat just stares back like, is that all you got? Here's the secret. Cats are natural-born hunters. Their lightning-fast reflexes let them react in a split second, way faster than most snakes can strike. Plus, cats don't see snakes as monsters. They see them as moving toys. Dangerous toys, sure, but still toys. Cats also rely on confidence. A calm, steady stare can actually make snakes hesitate. And when a snake hesitates, the cat already won. So no, cats aren't fearless. They're just built different. If this blew your mind, hit like, follow for more animal facts, and tell me, would you stare down a snake?